Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? One Ayala Makati Neutral Grounds. So, review natin to for our hobby for some Magic the Gathering. Let's G. Ayan, so ito yung loob nung bago nilang store dito sa One Ayala. Located to sa pinakataas, bandang dulo. Katabi lang siya ng Gashapon. So, madali nyo siyang makikita kasi lahat ng tindahan ng laruan, collectibles, and stuff, dito yan sa pinakataas malolocate. Then, maliwanag yung bago nilang store. Makikita mo naman talaga agad yan. And yung loob din mismo, napaka-aliwalas, very lively, and napaka-neat tignan. So, itong store na to is, ito rin yung same nung nandun sa Glorieta, na na-move lang sila. So, kung matagal ka nang naglalaro doon sa Neutral Grounds, Glorieta, so you're familiar with what I'm saying. And maganda lang tong place nila na bago dahil sa ambience. Pero, well, for me, and I know others will agree, yung luma nilang branch sa Glorieta, OG yun. So, memories and all, solid, intact, forever na yun. Pero, I just want to commend this new branch nila kasi talaga naman kung nakita nyo, napakaganda at aliwalas niyang tignan. And may big area din for playing cards and Warhammer ata yun. And still complete pa rin for the gaming needs. Trading cards, like yan, Magic and Magic needs, Warhammer needs, and some other needs nyo for board games and collectibles. So, mababait din yung mga lokal. They will ask you to play with them. And hopefully, makabalik ako to play with them. So, yun lang. Na-share ko lang. Peace.